All right, so this worksheet has 6 good word problems to practice on. So I'm going to work it out. I'll talk everything out, so hopefully you guys can catch on and try to get an idea of how to write these equations. For breakfast, Randy had 2 Egg McMuffins and a hash brown, totaling 750 calories. Jack only had 1 Egg McMuffin and a hash brown, totaling 450 calories. How many calories are in each? Since most of you are just using X and Y anyway, I'll use X and Y. Let X equal Egg McMuffins and Y equals hash brown. You need to write this step down so that you don't mix them up. So Randy had 2 Egg McMuffins and a hash brown, and it was 750 calories. Jack had 1 Egg McMuffin and 1 hash brown for 450 calories. How many calories were in each? We set up 2 equations. This looks like a good system of equations. Everything is lined up perfectly. The y's match, we can use elimination. Big subtraction sign in front. 2x minus x is x equals 300. So we know that Egg McMuffins have 300 calories, which means that hash browns have 150 calories. I got that number from that second equation. All right, the second one. Jack had a Big Mac and 2 small fries, 1,000 calories. 3 Big Macs and 2 small fries for 2080. So X can equal Big Mac calories. Y could be the fries calories. So Jack had a Big Mac, 2 small fries, 1,000 calories. And Randy had 3 Big Macs and 2 small fries. And that's 2,080 calories. Randy's a hungry guy. Everything is lined up perfectly. The 2 y's match. They're both positive, so we're going to do subtraction. Negative 2x equals negative 1,080. Divide both sides by negative 2. X equals 540 calories. So Big Macs are 540. So now we have to substitute back in. 540 plus 2y equals 1,000. 2y equals 460. Y equals 230 calories. So the French fries are 230 calories. All right, number 3. The sum of 2 numbers is 24. Their difference is 15. What are the 2 numbers? So x is the first number. Y is the second number. You could use anything you want. You don't have to use x and y, but you guys just keep choosing x and y, so that's why I'm doing it. Sum of them is 24. The difference of them is 15. 2 separate equations. I can do this in multiple of ways. I'm going to do elimination, that's for sure. If I want to get rid of the x's, I'm going to do subtraction, because x minus x cancels out. If I want to get rid of the y's, I'm going to do addition, because they're opposite signs. So let's do that. X plus x is 2x. The y's cancel. 24 plus 15 is 39. Divide by 2. X equals 19.5. So x equals 19.5. Y must equal 4.5. And you can always check. 19.5 plus 4.5 is 24. 19.5 minus 4.5 is 15. On to the back. If this thing will stop freezing. There we go. So another one here. At McDonald's, a cheeseburger has 200 fewer calories than a large fries. 2 cheeseburgers and a large fries have 1,100 calories. So X could be the cheeseburger. Y could be the large fries. So a cheeseburger has 200 fewer calories than a large fry. So X equals Y minus 200. The cheeseburger has 200 less than the large fries. So X equals Y minus 200. That's our first equation. And then the second equation, 2 cheeseburgers and a large fries have 1,100 calories. So this one is not set up for elimination. They're not lined up. It looks like they're lined up. This is where you got to be careful because it sure looks like the X's, the Y's, and the numbers are lined up, but the equal signs are not lined up. So you cannot do elimination here. But since it says that X equals Y minus 200, and there's an X in the second equation, I could substitute. So 2 times Y minus 200 plus Y equals 1,100. Distribute 2Y minus 400 plus Y equals 1,100. Combine like terms is 3Y. Add 400 to both sides is 1,500. Y equals 500. So a large fries has 500 calories, which means that a cheeseburger, if I do substitution, has 300 calories. I'll leave that to you to do the substitution. Movies R Us has 2 video rental plans. The regular video rental plan charges $3.25 for each video rental. So the regular one, right away, I already got it. Y equals 3.25x or 3.25m, whatever, or v, whatever you want to do there. And the preferred video rental is an $8.75 membership fee and $2 a movie. So $8.75 plus 2x. And they want to know when they'll cost the same. So obviously, we've done things like this. We set them equal to each other, which is really just doing substitution. Minus 2x from both sides. 1.25 x equals 8.75. Divide both sides by 1.25, and you get x equals 7 movies or video rentals, however you want to write it. Wendy is starting a catering business and is attempting to figure out who she should be using to transport the food. She has found 2 trucking companies that are willing to make sure her food arrives intact. Peter charges 40 cents per mile, so 0.40x or 0.40m, plus a flat fee of $68. And Helen charges 65 cents per mile, plus a flat fee of 23. For what distance would they cost the same? So that would be set them equal to each other. 0.40x plus 68 equals 0.65x plus 23 minus 0.40x from both sides. 68 equals 0.25x plus 23 minus 23 from both sides. 45 equals 0.25x. Divide both sides by 0.25. X equals 180 miles. So hopefully this helped a little. I think once you have the equation set up, you guys should be able to solve these because usually these set up like really easy systems, whether it's elimination or substitution. You just got to figure out which one you're doing. So again, email me with questions, mrzuckerbrow@gmail.com, or just search this topic on Google and there'll be plenty of practice.